And then one of the things really cool is that I'm also able to create web pages from its EC. I can instantly publish it until the page without having to will make go to GoDaddy and buy a domain. It can host for me. And I can create a whole web page on the same turn on a web page or external web page, however you like. Whoever you send a link to, they'll be able to see it too. But yeah, show you better intent. So let's go ahead. We're gonna make something for Jason. So let's make his cabin's experience. What do you good for HR? It's a bit suited for HR. Yeah. Let's go see it with it. Python, upload, and stuff. Oh, okay. So take y'all through this lot together. Reposition this. Image. IT. And we got a top image here that we need in comments. So as you can see right here, it says if I press space, it'll open up the AI block. Whenever I press / I have a lot of communities. So on Notion, it breaks everything into blocks. It recognizes everything as blocks. So this is a list of blocks that it has now. So blocks can be movable. It can be moved around very easily by drag and drop and such like that. So everything, webhooks, we grab code, we grab YouTube videos, we take audio from other SoundCloud, Spotify. We can have files on here. We can create data, full-blown databases, pages, link views, and all of these things can be placed in hierarchy order. Okay, but we're gonna find right now. I need subtext. Okay, so we're gonna ask AI help give me a picture that we accept. When is my page? Me, cool. Okay. And I'll give me a picture. Give me image. What is it?
And this is on Notion?
Yeah, it's on Notion. So I just made this. Here. This. JC, HR, leadership, culture, these were potential showcase, interconnect nature, HR, for horizontal, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna pull it, command list, spine, and a relevant YouTube video. Do I have YouTube already up?
And so with Nelson, you say you're like on a level from 1 to 10, you think you're at a 9 level, 10 level, 4 level, like you rate yourself on how good you know Notion.
Like 2
out of 10? No, bullshit.
2.
Seriously?
I would say so.
I mean,
I would say
2 out of 10?
Not because of my lack of capability, just about how much it has to offer.
Okay.
Like I hadn't even gotten to the functions.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it allows functions the ability of this thing is it's very, 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 very powerful. And you're about to see here.
So at the two level you're right now, the 2 level now, how long did it take for you to get to the 2 level, right? You had like take a course, you had to fuck around with it. Like, how do you get to this level? Like, how much investment of time does like someone who never used Notion before? How much hours they looking to invest of time like to learn this?
You'll get I would say if you came to my class, you'd get in 2 hours.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Oh, bada bing, bada boom.
Nice.
Okay, we're grabbing one of your past podcasts,
Okay.
and we're gonna just go and grab it and embed it in here, straight from YouTube. Bada bing, bada boom. There. So we're creating a web page here. Give me an infographic. No, let's say AI. Give me an infographic. First of all, explain this video and explain the video, and then give me an infographic. Supermarket. I'm not showing off the AI right now. What I'm about to show off is that the fact that this page I just made, I can instantly create this. I can publish this to any right. That's what I'm going to do. So I just had to do this infographic right for me right now.
Mm-hmm.
So I did a breakdown of key topics from the video and the infographic based on what we talked about. And broken down, and it broke it down logically. So we went from leadership development to team empowerment, and also strategic planning. In our conversation, we went from culture and building, to engagement and strategies.
Can you do this after we close up? We did finish this podcast, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you go to Notion AI, chat, whatever AI you want to use, right?
Mm-hmm.
Upload the entire podcast and say, like, what are the main points you talked about? Summarize this.
Yes. Notebook LM can do that better than, when it comes to what you designers can do that better than anything I'm showing you. So,
Okay.
So that specific thing you asked, Notebook LM does it.
So how do you keep track of that? Like there's Notebook LM, Notion, there's all these AIs. Like this AI is best for this.
And test them against each other.
Yeah, but average American citizen got time for that bullshit, right? They're too busy, working 9 to 5, watching Netflix,
Yeah. I like to play.
Yeah.
And I'm blessed to be in a position where I get paid to play. And the more I play, the more.
So how many AIs are out there right now? Like a number, 1,000, okay.
But if I were to be tech, truly 4.
Okay.
They're all these other ones that claim to be new AIs.
They're on ChatGPT's API, whatever.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Notion AI is built on top of Notion AI is using ChatGPT, Rock, and all of it, but it has an algorithm. Whatever works, whichever AI is most efficient,
So
it switches.
if Notion is built on like all these other apps, do they like pay some kind of licensing fee or something?
No, I don't know how Notion is doing it, but now they're not. We don't have to pay for it. Now, I am.
I mean, because obviously, OpenAI, they have servers using a lot of engines that cost a lot of money. You have these freeloader AIs using this shit for free.
But so here's the thing: ChatGPT 4.0 is so strong and powerful that 4.0, the free model, beats most of the AIs out there that's paid for already.
Yeah.
So 4.0 can code and everything, and it beats a lot of the models out there. So it's a pseudo competition. It's almost like a monopoly.
Look, so what are you doing now?
And so now that I have this on here, I want to show you real quick. I'm going to publish this. I'm going to make it a web page.
Okay.
So I'm going to click publish. And I can embed it. I'm just going to site. And so now pages, and I can take this link and put it in. And it's gonna pop up